Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Builds. Today I have an exciting unboxing for you. We'll be taking a closer look at the ELV Direct lightweight metal body fine point capacitive stylus pen for touchscreen devices. So let's dive right in. So alright, so this is our box, and in this box we have the stylus pen. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So this is our stylus pen. And this is the pen, and this is so sleek and professional design. The first thing I notice is the lightweight aluminum body, which feels sturdy and durable in my hand, and it definitely gives off a premium vibe. Remember guys, it has two-way magnetic cap, so don't need to twist or push the head back. Just put the head close to the pen and it will automatically absorb, as you can see. So guys, it uses a fine point capacitive tip that provides precise and accurate input, giving you a smooth and natural writing or drawing experience. Guys, this pen is 6.1 inch long, 9 mm diameter and weight 17 grams, and designed by elegant body and clear disc tip. So guys, the great feature of this pen is its responsiveness and compatibility. The ELV Direct Stylus Pen is highly sensitive thanks to its advanced capacitive technology. It quickly detects even the lightest touch making, and it's perfect for taking notes, sketching, navigating apps and more. Whether you are a student, artist or professional, this pen offers a seamless and precise experience on your touchscreen devices. One of the standard features of this stylus pen is its compatibility. It works with all the major touchscreen devices including iPhones, iPad, Android, smartphones and tablets. At the back of this pen, we have a extra more tip that provide in this pen, as you can see. So this is the one more tip that provide in this pen. So guys, this pen provides a precise and accurate input, giving you a smooth and natural writing or drawing experience. Using this pen, I can write or draw easily on my mobile screen, as you can see, and it is very smooth. So guys, that's it for today's unboxing video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.